Oh yeah, folks. Because today we're diving into a showdown that's got every action camera fan on the edge of their seats. DJI Action 6 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance. But only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced Rocksteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered Horizon Steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, however, promises 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration. The choice is yours. Stick with the trusted Action 5 Pro or embrace the futuristic Action 6. So, which side are you on for your next adventure? So tell me, folks, what will it be? Will you stick with the dependable Action 5 Pro, or are you ready to leap into the future with the Action 6? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle isn't over, and your next adventure deserves the right camera. Can you believe it's already time to talk about a new Pocket camera? It feels like the Pocket 3 just dropped yesterday. Yet, here we are, with whispers, leaks, and insider chatter painting a picture of what could be DJI's most advanced handheld gimbal camera. And after 9 long years, GoPro is making a thrilling comeback to the stabilizer game. The brand new Fluid AI is ready to take on DJI, supporting GoPro cameras, smartphones, and compact cameras under 400 grams. With smart AI tracking, a built-in light, and an impressive 18-hour battery life, this beast means business. Mark your calendars. It drops on October 21st for just $229.99. Trust me, if even half of these rumors are true, this little guy is going to shake up the vlogging world all over again. So let's dive in, because the DJI Pocket 4 isn't just another upgrade. It might just be a mini cinema revolution you can hold in one hand. The Pocket 4 is rumored to be the direct successor to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, that tiny gimbal camera creators fell in love with for its buttery smooth footage and stunning 1-inch sensor. This time, DJI isn't just polishing the old formula, they're reinventing it. We're talking about a dual camera setup, folks. Yep, dual lenses on a handheld gimbal camera. That's a first for the Pocket series. The main camera is expected to keep that glorious 1-inch CMOS sensor, but with refined low-light performance and richer colors. Then comes the exciting twist, a secondary lens, either telephoto or ultra-wide. Imagine having true optical zoom for cinematic compression, or a sweeping ultra-wide for travel vlogs and epic landscapes. Oh, and here's the juicy part. DJI might finally bring Hasselblad color tuning to the Pocket lineup. That means natural skin tones, film-like color depth, and that signature cinematic vibe we've only seen on Mavic drones until now. Now, this is where things get spicy. The Pocket 4 is rumored to push 8K video at 30 frames per second. Yes, 8K, while offering 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and possibly even 4K at 240 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. Add in 10-bit D-Log M color, improved noise reduction, and a new image processor, and suddenly you're holding what feels like a tiny cinema camera. But that's not all. DJI's new Active Track 7.0 is expected to bring smarter AI tracking, better face detection, and buttery gimbal motion that reacts instantly. Whether you're running, dancing, or chasing your dog through the park, the Pocket 4 might just lock onto your subject like a pro cinematographer who never blinks. No excuses for losing your shot anymore. DJI isn't stopping at optics and AI. The Pocket 4 might feature a 2.5-inch rotatable OLED screen, finally making it easier for vloggers to frame their shots from any angle. Add a bigger battery, improved cooling for 8K heat, and even IP67 dust and water resistance, and this thing is looking more rugged than ever. Oh, and the grip? Rumor has it, DJI refined the texture for better comfort during long shoots. Connectivity upgrades? You bet. Expect Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and seamless integration with an updated DJI Mimo app that might include smart editing tools and auto-framing for solo creators. Now here's where it gets interesting. The expected price sits between $599 and $699 USD, depending on the lens setup. Not bad at all for something this powerful. But DJI better stay sharp, because Oppo and Vivo are reportedly cooking up their own Pocket-style gimbal cameras for 2026. The race is officially on, folks, and that means more innovation, better features, and hopefully better prices for creators everywhere. If all this turns out to be true, the DJI Pocket 4 could be a massive leap forward. Dual lenses, 8K power, Hasselblad color, a rotatable OLED, and AI smarts that redefine solo filmmaking. This isn't just a camera, it's shaping up to be the ultimate pocket-sized storytelling machine.